Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka Ghosh and I am your sugar makeup expert for the day. So as you all know, summer is already here, so why not just ditch the foundation and switch to BB cream. So let me show you how to apply a BB cream. So today I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics Goddess of Flawless SPF 30 Plus BB cream and I'm in the shade 01 Latte. So let me show you how to use this BB cream. So I'm starting off with taking a pea size amount on the back of my hand. And I'm going to dab it all over my face. Focus more on the problematic areas of your face, like your under eyes, or if you have like little bit blemishes like my skin. Don't take too much at one go. You can definitely build it up whenever you need to. So now I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. This product feels really light on my skin, just like a moisturizer, and it's great for oily skin beauties like me, since it is a matte finish BB cream, which is great for the summer, and as you can see, it is super blendable. If you don't want to use your fingers to blend the products, you can totally use a fluffy kabuki brush. So now I'm just going to build it up a bit more under my eyes where I have like tad bit of dark circles. So now I'm going to set my face with the compact powder. And don't forget your T-zone, that is very important, because in summers your T-zone tends to get oily and sweaty. So just to avoid that, definitely put some powder on your T-zone. So now that I'm done with my base, so just let me finish off my whole face off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. So for my brows today, I have used Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 01 Jerry Brown. For this soft eyeshadow look, I have used Sugar Cosmetics Blend-T-Rule Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 01 Vogue. And for this tiny teeny wing, I have used today Sugar Cosmetics Arrested for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade called 01 I'll Be Black. And for my mascara, I have used Sugar Cosmetics Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade called 01 Black with a Bang. So for my contour, highlight and blush today, I have used Sugar Cosmetics Contour D-Force Face Palette in the shade called 01 Subtle Summit. And last but not the least, today I have used Sugar Cosmetics It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick 07 The Twilight Rose for my lips. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hope you have enjoyed it. Bye!